Take it away, Tammy. Easy to play basswood guitar lets you sound your best with every strum. Item 63057 KT. This year we have this new kit of the Sunburst style here. It is the full scale 41-inch steel strung guitar with the basswood body. This comes with a chrome tuner, a gig bag. You also get picks, a capo, a tuner, extra strings, a string winder, and a strap. And this is for right-hand players. So the whole kit is for $129.99 with $4.95 additional. If you didn't need the kit, you could get the regular guitar only for $9.99. And we also are offering again the metal guitar stand. So if you'd like to add that on, that's 63058 for $19.99. And if you want to get a lot more people into your band, we have an item coming up for you for that.